Breville-Nespresso USA Nespresso Creatista Coffee Espresso Machine. Single-serve coffee and espresso machine, the Nespresso Creatista offers freshly brewed coffee as well as delicious authentic espresso. The Creatista can turn into your personal latte maker with the attached frother, allowing you to create top-quality latte art in your kitchen. Pour over ice to create your favorite iced coffee drinks. BARISTA GRADE, brew different single-serve coffee and espresso beverage options at the touch of a button depending on your coffee needs. Ristretto, 0.5 ounces, Ristretto, 1.35 ounces, lungo, 5 ounces. The Creatista allows you to take a step further and create more complex coffee drinks such as flat whites, cappuccinos, and latte macchiatos. There are settings that allow you to adjust coffee volume, milk temperature and mixture with a fast 3-second heat-up time. Smart Coffee and Espresso Maker. Brew a perfect single-serve coffee or espresso cup time after time with an easy TFT LCD display that assists you on all preparation, setting and maintenance aspects thanks to a high-resolution display. Integrated milk frother. Automatic built-in milk frother with 8 texture levels and 11 different milk temperature settings, 11 settings, 55 to 76 degrees centigrade 133 to 169 degrees Fahrenheit, helps you create your favorite single-serve coffee and espresso beverages. Complimentary gift. Each machine includes an Nespresso Original Capsule Welcome Kit with a range of capsules with unique aroma profiles. Features and warranty. Nespresso Creatista includes a 1.5L removable water tank, an auto-purge steam wand, 19 bars of pressure, a fast automatic cleaning process, a stainless milk jug and a 2-year warranty. Heats up in less than 3 seconds with an automatic off mode after 9 minutes. Heating system. ThermoJet heating element. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.